Is this house a barndominium?
Gotta be more serious than that with your question.
Is this house a barndominium?
So this particular house it's got 1,750 square foot upstairs and then roughly 1,750 square foot downstairs. And then on the other side of that is another 2,500 square foot shop with 20-foot ceilings in it. So this house right here, I built this house because I needed a place to live and I needed to move quick. So I said, I'm gonna build a shop house, and we will live in that shop house or barndominium, whatever you wanna call it, for 3 years. That's what I told my wife. And we would live in it for 3 years. And after the 3 years, if she wanted me to build her something else, I would build her another house. So if you turn and look at that way back there, that tree way back there. See the tallest tree that sticks out above everything else?
Yes.
So my property goes past that. That is about 3/4 of a mile off of the road. So it's a long ways back. So that is where I intend on building the forever home. But I just haven't done it. And now I'm in the middle of a divorce, so that's not gonna happen with that wife. So I would just stay here until I get me a new wife. And then we make a decision to build something back there, but I'm not gonna build something prior to that. There's no need for it. Which I may just stay by myself, who knows?
Where's your dog?
The dog ain't here yet.
Yeah, what the heck? I thought you said it was like 2 more days.
They told me
That was 5 days ago.
when she bought me the dog, the veterinarian had to check it out before they could release it to me. That was last, Thursday? They still haven't released the dog yet. So I don't know if it takes that long to get it into the vet, and they haven't been able to get it into the vet, and that's why they haven't called. We haven't got the dog yet. We should have it next week, by the end of this week, something like that.
Okay.